we have multiplication of polynomials. Because we have multiplication, we can use commutative property, and first we can rewrite our example. And first, because we have t plus 1 and t plus 1, so I will write t plus 1 at the beginning, and next we have times t minus 2. So this is equal, because we have the same expression in parentheses, we have addition, so we can use formula square of sum when we have x plus y to second power. This is equal x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. How I got this x plus y to second power? Because when we have x plus y times x plus y, the same expression in parentheses, we just add exponent. Here is invisible 1 and 1. So we have x plus 1 to second power. 1 plus 1 is 2. In our example, we have t plus 1 times t plus 1. So this is equal t plus 1 to second power times t minus 2. In our example, x is equal t and y is equal 1. So now we can use this formula. So this is equal. First we have to take first expression to the second power. So it will be t squared plus, next we have to write 2 times, first expression is t and second is 1. So times 1. And at the end we have plus y to second power. Is our example, y is 1, so we have 1 to second power. Everything we have to put in parentheses or in brackets, because we have to multiply this whole expression times t minus 2. So this is equal, we will have in the brackets t squared, 2 times 1 is 2, and t we have to rewrite, plus 1 to second power is 1, and we have times t minus 2. Now we have to multiply every expression in the brackets by every expression in the parentheses. So this is equal t squared times t minus 2 plus we have next 2t times t minus 2, and the last is 1 times t minus 2. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to first distribute t squared over each term in the binomial. So it will be t squared times t. Positive, when we don't have signs, always positive. Positive times negative will be negative. T squared times 2. And next we have to distribute 2t, so it will be 2t times t. 2t times positive times negative will be negative. 2t times 2. And now when we multiply this whole expression times 1, it doesn't change anything. We will still have the same expression. So we have plus t minus 2. So this is equal multiplication, the same base t, so we copy t, and we have to add exponents. If we don't have exponents, it's divisible 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus, first we write the number t squared, next plus we have 2, t times t is t squared, and next we have 2 times 2 will be 4, so negative sign we have to copy, 4t, and next we have plus t minus 2. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have negative 2t squared and positive 2t squared, so this we can cancel out. And we have also negative 4t and positive t. When we don't have coefficient, is always invisible 1. So now this is equal t cubed, we will copy. Next we have negative 4t and positive 1t. So we have the like terms. We keep the sign of the larger number. 4 is greater than 1, so it will be negative. And 4 minus 1 is 3. t we have to rewrite minus 2. This is my solution.